Hi, sisters! Okay, no, I'm not doing that. Aloha, ciao, hello, and como estas? How's it going, guys? Good, great, amazing! I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today is just a bad day. Obviously, it's like COVID-19. It's raining outside. It's just dark in general. So I wanted to do some makeup. Not just any makeup. Makeup by James Charles. The thing is, I'm not as crazy as makeup as he is. So it's just like, I barely have enough stuff. But I barely have anything. I'm going to show you guys. So this is my makeup. That's my whole makeup collection, literally. So, I'm just going to use as all the stuff I got. I can't use anything else. Can't use my mom's makeup. Can't buy my own makeup. I have to use my makeup. So, yeah, let's get on to this video.
My nose using my Morphe R32 brush and my MAC Studio Finish Concealer. You guys should know why I do this by now.
Okay, so this is all the concealer I have, and I'm not sure if this is the one I'm supposed to use, but I'm not a makeup artist. Oh, really quick. I have my sister scrunchie to put my hair back, so like my makeup won't get in my hair, and my hair is dyed. Don't want that. I'm gonna get in trouble. So I saw him putting on his nose, and the other part I cut off. So you know what? We're just gonna wing it. That's not good for makeup, but I'm not doing makeup for Queen Elizabeth here, or Queen James Charles here. So this isn't what he showed in the video, but he said concealer. We didn't say contour. I get those mixed up all the time. This is not what he did. Okay. Are we supposed to do this with this thing? I'm going to. Whatever. I'm just gonna do it. We're just gonna leave it with that.
Going into my Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte, I'm going to highlight my face.
Okay, so more concealer. So, next thing.
Quickly blend out the creases underneath my eyes, then go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I have not used this in a long time.
So I heard something about like powder or whatever, so I'm just gonna use this. And just put it in where I put my like concealer. Light! Oh no. It has excess blush on my blush. That did nothing.
First, I'm going to grab this neutral toned orange shade on my M441 and use that in my crease as a transition shade.
Okay, this is the best I could find that kind of like matches what he did, and it's that one. And so I'm just gonna like do the best I can. So I'm gonna grab it. Just what he told me to do.
And then on an M433, I'm going to grab this cool tone brown shade, 2 below the orange that we used before, and I'm going to deepen out the outer V.
Deepen out the outer V. Go. Oh! Nope, can't leave. Deepen. I'm not gonna change it, okay? I'm not gonna change it. I'm gonna leave it. It deserves to stay where it is. Okay. I'm too lazy to restart, so it's just like this is my life now.
LA Girl Line Art Matte Liquid Liner.
Okay, got eyeliner. everybody, look, it's my beauty. Yes, everybody, look at my beauty. Beautiful. Since you know I didn't finish the video, and didn't finish recording the whole video, I saw this in the thumbnail, so I'm just gonna use this color. It's like really like the one he did, so I'm just gonna use this. Ow, I just like, ow, ow, ow. Okay. So, I'm trying to recreate the thumbnail. So, let's get everything. Who else wants to see James just like wait till his hair's long, okay? Like waiting for that part, okay? And then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna oh my gosh. These are so foggy. This was my Halloween glasses. Oh my gosh. Guys, we got it. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. When you subscribe, the notification bell pops up, so make sure to press that and get notified to all videos I post. Okay, I'm taking these off. Okay, maybe not the glasses. Yes, the glasses. If you want me to do more, then like, okay. But I will be totally up to doing more. I could do Jeffree Star, I could do Jane, okay. I have no ideas. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you guys. Bye!